When you come to Australia, I feel the best chance of winning a test match is by putting runs on the board. Of course, when we won the toss, we elected to bat. We knew there will be challenges with that ball. But, in the past, we've done that many a times where the conditions have been little challenging and we've batted really well to put runs on the board and then try and put pressure on the opposition. Like I said, that is the disappointing part, that we didn't bat it well enough. We probably were 30, 40 runs short with the bat in the first innings, and then there were opportunities when Australia was batting and we failed to take those chances. And obviously when you miss those chances, it is never easy, and it's not going to be easy. The opposition will always make you pay for it, and that's what happened. And then in the second innings as well, we thought the conditions were better. Again, we were not good enough with the bat.
Rohit, before the start of this series, when he did the pre-match press conference, he said that they are not carrying any baggage from the New Zealand series. At that time, you had a gap of like 15 days or so between the two series. Now you have short turnover time before the Brisbane Test match. How, as a team, will you ensure that you guys will not carry any mental scar of this game to Brisbane?
Firstly, it's not a scar. It's just we've lost a Test match. We didn't play well enough. So it's important in this short time that we have before the next Test match, just to figure out certain things with our own selves about if we want to bat, how we want to bat, and if we want to bowl, what lines and what lengths and what kind of field placement we need to have. Those are the things more than anything else. Like I said, it's still 1-1. There's plenty of things left in this series still, and there's definitely a way for us to get back into the game, and we need to find that within ourselves, how we need to do that. There are a lot of individuals in that dressing room who have played a lot of cricket, won a lot of games, have come back from difficult situations in the past. So we hope that everyone stands up to that challenge and takes the team through whenever it's required.
Rohit, in terms of your prep,
हम सिर्फ एक बॉलर से नहीं खेल रहे. देयर आर अदर बॉलर्स ऑल्सो कि जिनको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी पड़ेगी और काम करना पड़ेगा टीम के लिए. और सिराज हो, हर्षित राणा हो, नीतीश रेड्डी हो, आकाशदीप हो, प्रसिद्ध हो, ये लोग अभी आए टेस्ट क्रिकेट में, इनको भी कॉन्फिडेंस देना जरूरी है. जब भी ये लोग मैच खेलेंगे, इनको कॉन्फिडेंस देना जरूरी है. तो ये सब चीज ध्यान में रखते हुए जो प्लानिंग हम करते हैं कि किसको कैसे बॉल डलाना है, कितना बॉल डलाना है, प्लानिंग होती रहती है, बातचीत होती रहती है. बट आप ये नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो कि बुमराह दोनों एंड से बुमराह ही डालेंगे सुबह से लेकर शाम तक. तो मैनेज करना बॉलरों को बहुत जरूरी है, और ये सब चीजें हम आपस में डिस्कस करते, बात करते, बॉलर से बात करते, और उसके बाद जो भी डिसीजन होता है वो डिसीजन लेते.